Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Berkshire Hathaway stock, detailed guide step by step clearly. To invest in Berkshire Hathaway stock, start by researching the company. Understand its business model and the industries it operates in. Familiarize yourself with the leadership, particularly Warren Buffett. Check the company's financial performance over recent years. Look at key indicators such as earnings per share and return on equity. Determine your investment strategy. Decide whether you want to buy shares of Class A or Class B stock. Class A shares are significantly more expensive and have more voting rights. Class B shares are more affordable and have limited voting rights. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable brokerage that offers access to U.S. stocks. Complete the required identity verification and funding processes. Transfer funds into your brokerage account. Once your account is funded, search for Berkshire Hathaway using its ticker symbol. Class A shares are represented as Berkshire Hathaway. Class B shares are represented as Berkshire Hathaway New. Choose the type of share you want to purchase based on your investment strategy. Review the current stock price and set your desired quantity of shares. Place a market order to buy immediately at the current price. Alternatively, set a limit order to buy at a specific price if you prefer. Confirm your order details before finalizing your purchase. Monitor your investment regularly to assess performance. Stay informed about Berkshire Hathaway's business decisions and broader market trends. Consider your long-term goals when deciding if you want to hold or sell your shares. Review your investment strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.